Alright, what's going on, traders? This is the video you've been waiting for, because in this video I am going to show you the live trading results on how our extreme retracement trading strategy performed in the month of February. So let's get right into it, folks. My name is Mark at DynoTrading. Welcome back to the channel. It is good to be with you. And first piece of business, where did this month go? Right? I mean, Jesus Christ, January and February just flew by. I mean, I don't know about you, but I feel the older that I get, the faster time goes by, man. And so if you've been fumbling and bumbling around with your own goofy nonsense trading strategy and you've gotten your ass handed to you the first 2 months of the year, then you need to pay attention to what I'm going to show you here, because there's a strong possibility that the strategy that I'm going to show you might actually make sense to you. All right? So anyway, first, what you're seeing on the screen right now is the live P&L graph trading just 2 contracts on the NQ, the NASDAQ Emini futures, for the entire calendar month of February. Okay? And these results are pretty incredible, man. You can see on the left here, we did start out with a little bit of a drawdown. I'm going to get to that in just a few seconds, but we ended up closing the calendar month with around 20 grand in profits. I mean, this is absurd, guys and gals. Just simply absurd. All right? Now, of course, I love showing you the stats because I feel like a lot of you guys love looking at the stats, and honestly, the stats are kind of important. So obviously, let's start with the scoreboard here. You can see the total net profit coming in at just under $20,000. We made $102,000 on our winners, and we lost $83,000 on our losers. That is how NinjaTrader computes the total net profit. And of course, guys, don't you ever forget that you have to include commissions into your live results. All right, I mean, you can see here we clocked in at close to $4,000 in just commissions. I mean, that's like $1,000 a week in straight commissions. Okay, but at the end of the day, guys, money talks and bullshit walks, right? Matter of fact, if you remember one of the videos I did at the starting point of this year, like January 2025, what I told you was stop being a cheapskate. All right, stop concerning yourself so much with the commissions. Paying commissions is part of making money in trading, right? You ever heard of the saying, you got to spend money to make money? Well, that's a reality and a truth in the trading game. All right, anyway, let's keep scrolling down here and let's take a look at some of my favorite stats here. You guys know this is my all-time favorite group of stats here, all right? This is something called the win-loss ratio. So on every winning trade, meaning every time we won well over $1,600. And every time we only lost around $200+. And if I go back and show you the P&L graph, well, that's why the graph looks like this, right? We catch some huge winners, then we take a few drawdowns on it, then some huge winners, couple drawdowns, and then huge winners, like so on and so on. And so I don't care what anybody else says. I know the truth. I know what works for me. I know what a successful and profitable trading system looks like, and it's right here in the stats. You could call this the holy grail if you want to, but essentially this simply boils down to risk reward. And I'm going to prove that to you by heading over to the chart and showing you the system executed trades. Okay, so what are you looking at? Well, what you're looking at on your screen right now is our proprietary DeltaRenko charts. This is a beautiful chart style that prints on lovely, gorgeous, sweet, sexy 45-degree angles. There's not a single chart in the world that looks like this, all right? And the secret sauce, or I guess you could say the quote-unquote holy grail on how we are able to keep our reward to risk very high, is by drawing a set of dots. Can you see these dots right here, right? I'll zoom in for you. These are the retracement dots, and anytime the price moves from the top of the DeltaRenko candle all the way down, it retraces, and kaboom, it tags the extreme retracement dot. Well, then this is what an entry looks like. And you guys can kind of see why I call this an extreme retracement strategy, because we're not looking to get in long when it retraces here or here or here. We want to wait for an extreme deep retracement. Anyway, man, this is a remarkably simple trading system. I personally love it. My customers and clients absolutely adore it. I think a lot of you guys and gals out there can benefit from it. And at the end of the day, man, like I said, money talks and bullshit walks. The proof is right here in the pudding. Now, do I wish that I didn't have to pay $4,000 in commission? And do I wish I could have instead taken this commission spend and added it to my 19 grand in profit? Of course I do. But again, guys, you gotta spend money to make money. If you can't grasp that concept, then you'll never be able to cut it in the trading game. Anyway, boy, what a way to close out the month, man. Honestly, it was kind of exhausting, but what a thrill ride it was. I'm expecting next month, aka March of 2025, to possibly be the best month so far, because you know and I know that the volatility in this market is about to blow up. And what I personally plan to do is increase my risk reward next month to see if I can bag $40,000 or even $50,000 in profits in the month of March using our beautiful Delta Renko extreme retracement charts. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.